Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Holden Captiva LTZ. Stock reference number 4875. This shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 6th month 2018. It has a Z22 D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. Z22 D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel oil engine. We have the right hand fog light. Left front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Pair of factory side steps with all bolts and brackets. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side step, sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory MyLink, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof and sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.